All set now, ready to race. Race number 3. Anytime now. Away they go. Jaden Diamond jumps quick out of the gate, rushing up Panamera. Jan's Music done on the inside alongside Spilio. Renzi stays on the outside, rushing up Chase Charlie. Andy Ram is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, Jade and Diamond, followed by Panamera in second. Chase Charlie is running by Darrell Pilio alongside, and rushing up is Andy's round together with Jan's Music. Renzi stays, and rounding the far turn, Jade and Diamond, Panamera on the outside, Pilio, Andy's round on the outside. Chase Charlie is running by Darrell, Jan's Music as they race the last 500. Jade and Diamond, Panamera on the outside, and Andy Strum is running by Darrell, Chase Charlie. Last 200, Jade and Diamond, Andy Strum, Panamera on the outside, but still Jade and Diamond by about 2 lengths, followed by Andy Strum in second, and nearing the finish line, Jade and Diamond, and finally the favorite Jade and Diamond, Andy Strum, Panamera, Jan's Music, Pilio.